consider example 3 on the board before I will leave you with one of the most difficult questions under this beginner's standard. Now, example 3, we have x is equal to sine t and y is equal to cos t. Find the y over the x. In this video, I'm not going to shout much, so let's go straight to the answer, but you hear me, I assure you that. Okay, solution. In the first function given on the board, x is a function of t. So the derivation of this function will become the x over the t. Just like what we did in the previous video. So the x over the t will equal to, in trigonometrical function, to find the derivation of a sine, it will give you cos. So we have cos t. We are done with the x over the t. Now let us look at the second function given. The second function, y is equal to cos t. So to find the derivation of a function that consists of y and t, we're going to obtain dy over dt. dy over dt. And this will give the derivation of a trigonometrical function, which is cos, is going to give minus sine t. So minus sine t. That is the first approach. Now, with regard to what we did in example number 1 and example number 2, dy over dx will give dy over dt times dt over dx. Note that dx over dt is the same as cos over 1. Therefore, dy over dx is going to give dy over dt times this. The reciprocal of this. That is dt over dx. dy over dt on the board is sine t, and from the formula, dt over dx is given 1 over cos t. 1 over cos t. Now, what will be dy over dx? Therefore, dy over dx will equal to dy over dt, which is sine t times dt over dx, which is 1 over cos t. So this gives sine t times 1 is sine t divided by cos t.
In trigonometrical ratio, one of the identities states that sine x or sine t divided by cos t is going to give tan t. So we have dy over dx is equal to sine t over cos t gives tan t, which is the final result. If this video was helpful to you, please share this to your platform Also, if you haven't subscribed, click on the subscribe button, click on the like button, and also remember to turn on your notification so that you'll be the first to receive notification whenever new videos are uploaded in this platform. Thank you. But right now, I'm going to leave you with two questions. Now, this question is meant for beginners. So for beginners standard, I'm going to leave you with two questions. Thereafter, we are going to treat more complicated questions and also exam questions from your respective institution. Also, if you have questions from your institution you would love us to solve, this is all what you have to do. Drop it in the comment section, but if you can't do that, use this WhatsApp number on the screen, displayed on the screen, to send a direct DM to me. I will respond to your message and also solve questions from your institution. Thank you for watching till the end. If you really watched the end, comment "I watched till the end." Let me know. Thanks for your time. Alright, this is the question on the board. The question is x is equal to 3t plus 5 and y is equal to 7t raised to the power of 4 minus 2. So now the question is, first, find dy over dx. Second, find the 2y over the x squared. Also remember to drop the answer in the comment section. Thank you. See you in the next video.